Hi all. This is just a quick simulation as to a game that can be played within the schools that can demonstrate how easy these games can be integrated into lessons as a way for a child to understand and be able to articulate their social and emotional skills as a way to identify their feelings and be able to express them. So we're going to do the M&M anger game, and this is my son. He's going to be part of this demonstration. So the first one is he already has a yellow M&M. So with that, it's to tell one thing that makes you angry with the red M&M. Go ahead.
Losing a baseball game.
Okay. So what color are you doing? Brown? So brown is show us how you would breathe when you're angry. Okay, what color are you choosing next?
Green.
Green. Show us one activity you would do in a corner if you were in a calm down corner after getting frustrated. You would breathe, and what else?
Count to 10.
Count to 10. Okay. And what are we doing now? Yellow. So that's one thing that makes you excited.
Winning a baseball game.
Winning a baseball game? Okay. What color are we doing now? Blue is say one poor choice that you made when you were angry and then what you would have done differently or what you could have done differently.
I threw a chair and I won't do it. I could have counted 10.
Okay. And then the last one is saying one good choice you made when you were angry.
Count to 10, take deep breaths.
Okay. So that was no more than 2 minutes, including my intro. So this just shows you how short of a time these types of activities can take and how they can be integrated into the classroom very easily. So I will pass out a copy of this paper in the classroom before we start the presentation.